Why are you climbing the wall? What's on the wall? Nothing on the wall. Okay, I gotta break it up if you're gonna keep acting like that. Don't be, Larry. Larry, you're being good for a while now. Why are you being bad? Larry. Larry, she's gonna pump. She's gonna get you. Come here. Stop that. You're getting too good at getting over the side too quick. Yeah, you are. There goes old Mo. Mo went back in the cage. He must be tired. Oh, another one's gonna pee on the carpet, I think. I told y'all not to pee on the carpet. I'm gonna put the pad back down. I gotta put the pad back down. Stop biting my fingers. My fingers aren't something for you to bite. Look at the knucklehead in there. He's going crazy. Go on in there and go crazy with him. There you go. There you go. They're going to get into it. Look. Who do you think's going to win? I can tell you who's going to win. Mo is. Mo's the big one. The big boy. Yeah, he is. Mo's the big boy. That's all you want, huh, Curly? Come up here and lay down. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to take y'all to see the doctor. Take y'all to see the doctor sometime this week, okay? And make sure y'all okay. You get tired? You get tired there, Mo? Yeah. You played hard. I gotta go get the mommy before she freezes. She'll be a popsicle. You guys want some ice cream instead of some mother's milk? If she stays out there too long, she'll be ice cream. You had a good meal today. Yep. Hey, don't be chewing on that. Larry, hey. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Thank you. Don't chill my pants. Hey, come here. Get out from behind the door. Thank you. Who you? Larry, you silly. You ain't got nobody to bark at. What? What are you going after? Huh? What do you think you're getting hold of over there? Huh? Get on my pants. Get on my pants. Come back over here, Larry. Don't be mean. Yeah, get the ball for a while. Get him play with the ball for a while. Quit chewing on my pants. Stop. Mo's tired. Mo played hard. Don't chew on my pants. No. You want to go get the mommy? Don't chew on my pants. And don't chew on my finger. You got too big a teeth now. Yeah, you do. Don't feel in the pants. What's the matter? You want to jump in there now? Don't feel my pants. You didn't make it. Try again. You didn't make it. Try again. There you go. You made it. Oh, you silly thing. Why you jump on Mo like that? Mo's going to get angry. Mo's going to get angry. Mo's going to get angry. Hey. Stop chewing on the pants. Stop chewing on the pants. Is my puppy ready to go to sleep? Puppy's ready to go to sleep? I think Mo is. Mo looking for a pillow. Yeah, Mo's looking for a pillow. Mo's looking for a pillow. Mo's tired. Hey guys, we'll get the mommy in 10 minutes. It'll be night time. There you go. I'm gonna go get in there because it's late. Go and get in there and lay down. I'll be back in a few minutes with the mommy. Okay? Find a good spot to lay down. Go to sleep. That's 3 good puppies. Find a good spot to lay down. I'll go get the mommy. That's a good puppy. Okay, Larry, you're the only one. There you go. Good night, Curly. Good night, Larry. Good night, Mo.